Friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D practice model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the basic commands used in Autodesk Inventor to construct a 3D part. Okay, so let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and we'll start from the front plane. So we'll select the XY plane, take the circle command and here from the center point make one circle of diameter 45. Okay, and from same center make a circle of diameter 60 mm. Okay, now here we are going to take the rectangle command and select 2-point rectangle. Make the rectangle here and one rectangle this side. Now go to horizontal constraint, select the center point of this rectangle and select the center point. Similarly, we'll select the center point here and center point here, so they will be horizontally aligned. Now go to dimension, define this height here as 18 mm and this height will be 22 mm. Okay, now we will define the center to center distance. So this distance will be 35 mm and this distance will be of 55 mm. Okay, now this is fully constrained sketch. Now escape, select this inner profile, make it construction. Similarly, select this line, make it construction. Now go to trim command, trim this profile and trim this profile. Okay, now escape. Now go to dimension. As the 60 dimension is being deleted, so we'll define it again. So this will be the half the 30 radius. Okay, now escape. Now here we have the profile. So go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile and here take symmetric and the extrude will be of 50 mm. Okay, now press OK. Now here select this edge, we'll take a fillet. Here the fillet radius will be of 5 mm and this side also 5 mm. Press OK. Now here go to part 5. Here we have a cut profile. We are presently making this profile here. We have a cut profile over here. Go to front view, click front. Okay, so this cut profile will make now. Okay, go to part 6, select this face, go to create sketch. Here go to rectangle command and take 2-point center rectangle. Select this end point, make the rectangle, go to dimension, define this width here of 6 mm. Okay, and this total height of 90. Okay, this dimension should be extra from this profile. Go to 3D model, take extrude, here take direction 2. So this will flip to cut profile. This will be a through cut. From here also you can see the cut profile and press OK. Okay, go to home. Now we are going to make the top profile. Go to part 5. Now we are going to make this top profile. Go back to the part 6. Here go to origin and we will select the middle plane, the XY plane. Okay, or this is from the side view. We will select the YZ plane, go to create sketch and here take the circle command and make circle here of diameter 36 and from same center dia 18. Okay, now go to line command, make a joining profile of line. Okay, till here and one here. Okay, escape. This side we will take horizontal constraint and select this line. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe Okay, go to sketch. Here go to dimension. From midpoint, this will be at height of 55 mm. Okay, escape. Now drag this up and go to dimension. From this outer profile, for outer profile go to project geometry, project this profile first, go to dimension. From this outer profile, this will be at a distance of 7.5 mm. Okay, this will be 7.5. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center point. Okay, now go to tangent constraint, select this line and select the circle. Now this is fully constrained sketch. I don't want this inner profile. First go to line and here make a mid center line, escape, select this line, make it construction geometry, select this also, drag this dimension. Now select this line, make it construction. Now go to trim command, trim this profile. Okay, escape. Now go to 3D model, take extrude. Here we are going to select this profile, take symmetric, and here we will take extrude of 36. Okay, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Here you can see we have taken a small profile inside so as the matching should be proper. Okay, now press OK. Now you can see a proper matching is there. When I rotate it, inside also no extra profile is been created. Okay, so this is important. Now here we also want a cut profile. Go to part 5. We have a cut profile over here. Okay, go to home view. So we have constructed this profile now. So we will construct this cut profile. Go to part 6. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Here go to rectangle and select 2-point center rectangle. Select this point. Here make the rectangle profile. Go to dimension. Define this as 20. Okay, and here the width will be of 12 mm. Okay, now go to 3D model, take extrude and here flip the direction to cut. So this will also be a through cut. So we have taken 36, or you can change it from here all. So then also this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now go back to home. So we have completed the half of the profile. Now we have a rib over here. So for the rib, select the y plane, go to create sketch. Here take the line command and make a line profile over here and join till this point. Escape, rotate the profile. Okay, now select this circle, go to project geometry. So this will project the circle point. Go to point and select the center point. Escape. Now go to dimension. The dimension from the center point will be of 15 mm. Okay, escape. Now here we have a movement over here. Go to front. Okay, select this face, go to project geometry, escape, select coincident constraint, select this point and select this profile. Now this is fully constrained. Escape. Now rotate this profile again and select all the projected geometries, make them construction. This also make it construction. Okay, this as well, make it construction. Now finish sketch. Here we are going to take the rib command. Go to rib. Now here we will change the settings. So we will take it parallel to sketch plane and here we will change it to 6. Okay, and flip the side. Okay, so you can see the rib profile and press OK. Okay, now we have half of the profile. Now we want okay, one hole is left here. these holes are left. So we will make these holes, then we will mirror this profile. Select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command and make one circle here of diameter 12, okay, and one circle here of diameter 12. Or you can reduce their dia, you can take it 10 and this also 10. Go to dimension. From this outer edge, this will be at 12 mm, and from this side also 12 mm. Okay, now this side from outer edge, this will be at 12 mm. Escape. Now we will define it by constraint. So go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. So this will be aligned as respect to this point. This is fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch. Go to extrude, select both the profiles, take here cut and press OK. Okay. So this is also a through cut. You can see from here. Okay. Now here I want to mirror this complete file. So go to mirror and from extrude 3 we will select 4 this rib 1. Okay. This is a through cut, so we will not select extrude 5. Go to mirror plane. Here we will select the exit plane and press OK. Okay. Rotate the profile. Here you can see the complete profile. Now here go to fillet. Here we are going to take a fillet of 2.5 radius. Go to edge selection and here select this edge, this edge, this and this. Okay. Rotate the profile. Select here, rotate, select here, rotate and select here, this and this. Okay, and apply. Exit, go to home. We'll provide this fillet other side also. Go to mirror, select fillet 2, go to plane selection and select the exit plane. Press OK. Now here we will define the appearance. From here, take the light red. Take light red. Okay. So this is the final profile. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD part in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.